If I applied a systemic insecticide earlier this year, do I have to retreat this fall? And this is from Miss Betty.
Well, it'd be great if we knew what chemical she used, what the active ingredient was.
Yeah.
I would guess maybe imidacloprid is what she may be talking about, just because it's a very popular one.
See, yeah, I would agree with that. It's probably married, which is imidacloprid, or the very advanced tree and shrub product, which contains imidacloprid. And for the most part, if you read the label on that, it will tell you get a year's worth of control. So if you apply it in the spring, you don't have to reapply it in the fall.
Right.
You just, apply a year from the time that you applied in the spring, for control.
Always follow the label.
Always follow the label. That's what I go by. The label is the law.
That's right.
Yeah. It's what it is. So I would always follow the label. But you're right. It's probably imidacloprid. Because a lot of people are using imidacloprid now, for various reasons, of course, to control a lot of your scales.
Yeah.
Crepe myrtle bark scale comes to mind. But yeah, read the label on that. But usually, if you treat it, early in the year, you don't have to retreat again in the fall. 12-month control. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.